Okay, ito po ang Doha Friendly featuring the Titos and Titas League po tayo ngayon. This supported by Team LBC Harin Padala and Thread and Needles, and of course SBB Pilipinas or QFBF Pool of Referees, and also PSB Basketball League. And first game for tonight is Inflights versus Boleros. Ayan po yan. Calling now our first five. Please meet in the middle now, Coach.
Boleros versus Inflights.
Okay, Boleros and Inflights. First five, please. This is your host with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you, and you're watching right now Doha Friendly, dubbed as the Titos and Titas League po tayo ngayon. Yan. Thank you po lang po sa QBF Pool of Referees for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, ang PSPQ Basketball League, watch out po ang kanilang pagbabalik this coming June 2025. The newly recharged and resurgence po ng PSPQ. Okay, sabi rito ni Babagay, Boss Martin, good evening. Paregas po, shoutout kay Roy Bustos. Sir, ano po tayo sarap, titos and titas po tayo, hindi tayo standard ng ng larong to. Game. Okay, first set or first quarter. Yan, Anacleto. Si number 1, si number 2, number 23 at si number 29. Sa kabila naman sa Boleros, number 5, 16, 26, 15 at si number 30. Yan, sa kabila po lang po yan. Okay, bukbukan ng itam. Okay, Anacleto and number 16. Nakuha po ng ni Vince, the Prince. Na-intercepted ni number 30. Number 30 po ng Boleros. Boleros no, had now the letter. Boleros si number 30. Pinasa kay Samonte, 26. Samonte, number 30. 30. Walang pinasahan. Pero, single daw sabi ng referee. 14 second shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Para sa Boleros. Boleros clad in green, black, and white combination po sila. Sa kanilang impreso is white and black combination lang. Hop, si Daisy, floater shot. Pasok para kay number 30. Number 30 ng Boleros. Opening the game with 2 points. Vince the Prince. Si Vince, 24. Villarosa, 29. Pops up. Dang! Napakadili lang sa akin para sumut. Tuol po tayo yan. Aris Sil is watching. Aris Soldan is watching also. Okay, Mr. number 30. Number 15. Nawala ang bola. Munting malangawan. And now, namabasahan. And number 15. 15, floater shot. Bishop pass. And 2 points. Nice D-shot kay number 15 para kay number 16 ng Boleros. Villarosa. Anak kaya tumingin ng bola. 29 muna. 29, scaling the defense. And now si Vince. 23, floater shot. 2 points. 2 points po tayo. 2 points po ginawa po ni Salting. Number 23 ng Inflights. Number 30. Number 5. Number 30. Number 5 again. Loki for 3. No good. And Anacleto. Anacleto for the rebound. Si Vince. Si Salting. Na-intercepted ni number 30. Nice D. Para kay number 30. Magaling kayong depensa. Still kay Inflights pa rin po ang bola. Salting for the inbound. Salting, Anacleto for 3. No good. And number 5 rebound. Clear the boards. Samonte, 26. 26, binabanata ng bola. And now kay 30 muna. 30, nagkatumabasahan. Okay, siya muna magditikta. Number 30, 4 all on score. Samonte, D-shop daw kay 59, 15. D-shop din naman. Si Daisy. Balik po ng Inflights ang bola.
And flight basketball.
Nice D ng in-flights sa mga batang berde. Villarosa dictating the pace now. Ito si Prince ngayon. Prince. And to Salting. Salting! Nako, niluwa. One more time. Same ball. Good evening po sir po. Ako si Arvin G. Vlog here. You're watching right now Doha Friendly League. Dapat sa Titos and Titas League. Live always po tayo dito sa Ikanga sa Newton International School in Barro Village. And number 29, what a putback by number 29. Number 29, what a putback by number 29. Now si number 30. Number 30. 30, kay number 15 naman. 15. 15, driving through. Ay, sa ilalim. Malakas nga lang. Sayang ang pasa. Okay, bawi yan. Sabi nila, babawi yan. Si Vince. Vince. Number 29. 29. 29, driving. Driving and floating kay Billy Anaxieto, no good. Sayang ang pasa. Pero babawit mo yan. And again, si number 30. Number 30. Number 30, driving strong, pops up. No good. Vince, naka-rebound. 29. 29, floater shot. Naku, diluwa. Nice rebound by number 15. Mali pinasahan. Pops up. 3 points. Vince, 3 points. 3 points to Vince. At 5 minutes 52 remaining. Samonte. Samonte. Number 16. Number 15. 16. Sa ilalim. Nice. Nice D by Sanchez, number 29.
Para sa Boleros.
Sanchez, number 29. Nice D para sa kanya. And si Beck. Beck for 3. Kapos. And now kay Vince. Sanchez. Sanchez, easy shot. 2 points isa. Sanchez, 2 points.
Ready na po. Isang position na po.
5 minutes 17 remaining. 4-10 ang score. Number 30. 30, number 30, dictating the pace. 15, 15, muntik mawala. 15, 15. Nice shot. Change 5 muli po tayo. Change 5. Okay, si number 15 na muna yatang ilalabas. Para kay number 19, si NL. Sa kabila naman, si Kim Males, papasok na rin. Si Akain, papasok na rin. Sino pa? Okay, Boleros na called for the timeout of 5 minutes 1 seconds remaining. Ang score po natin ay 6-10. Laman po ang in-flights ng 4. Ito po ang Go-Friendly. Dub as the Titos and Tita Sig. You're watching the teams of in-flights versus Boleros. Sa kanilang bakbakan, first game pa lang po ito. And of course, after this po is of course Airport United and ika nga Doha Ignite. Pero nood muna pa tayo ng ditong larong ito. Ito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo mga boss. Ayan. Dito tayo. Yan. Dito tayo muna tayo dyan. Okay, si Salting, 23. Si Rizwa, number 20.
Number 20.
Number 20, Rizwa, binababa ang bola.
Roseva.
Kiminales. Akain for 3. Malakas. Nakakuha ni Salting yung bola. Rizma. Yes, sir. 2 twins, 3 points. Binanata kagad ni Rizma. Rizma, 3 points kagad. Ang binanat niya, kakapasok pala, nagpapakilala kagad. Ako si Rizma. And si number 30 again, 30 to number 19. Number 19, pops up, no good. Nandun Salting. Nice one, nice sleep by Samonte. Nandun si Kimales. Nandun si number 30 naman. Number 30 for 3. Yes, sir, 3 points, number 30. Bumawi kagad si number 30. The score is 10-9-30 na score po lamang po ng 4 pa rin ang team in flights. Rosma Salting to Rosma again. Kimales driving strong. Still completed. Okay, number 30, Binitbit, 2 points.
2 points. 2.8.
Nice shot by number 30. Binanata, binitbit lang ang bola para lang bagahe lang ng Qatar Airways. And si Rosma, akain to Rosma again. Rosma, salting, number 0. 0, uy! Huli. Traveling violation. Sabi ni referee, huli ka. Wala kang papeles. Huli. Number 30 to number 16. 16 po ng Boleros. Clad in green muna sila ngayon. Temporary uniform lang po yan. And 26 driving show. Pops up. 2 points. Okay, tabla na naman sila. Tabla na naman sila. Ang Boleros nakatabla naman sa in-flights. In-flights now. Binababa pang bola. 2 minutes 59 remaining. And now kay Kimbales, what a pass! Toko nilabas! Nilabas ang bola. Okay, Loki. Number 30, flow rope, shot, no good. Akain naka-rebound. Okay, number 0, si number 0. Nagkamp ng mapasahan, pinugbingin mo kay Kakain. Akain again. Akain! Kapos. One more time. Palpal. Still completed. Now what a board. Loki mag-isa. Loki. 2 points Loki. Lamang. Boleros, laman na po ng dalawa. Change favor muli po tayo. At 2 minutes remaining ng ating first quarter action. Number 0. Number 20. Rosma. Akain. Kumat. Bumilbet. Nilabas. 26. Binabantayan ni number 0. Number 26. And same ball tayo. Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Same ball daw. 1 minute 42 remaining. Laman po ng dalawa ang team Boleros. 19 for 3. Malakas. Kimales. 0. Nice kay Salting. Lead pass si Salting. Hoy! Foul! Number 30.
Foul number 30.
Number 30 called for the foul. Salting shooting for 2. Handog po ito ng Thread the Needles at Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
Second try para kay Salting. Second try, wala. Rebound. Number 30.
Curry. Loki.
Number 5.
Number 5. Binaba mo na. Okay, ano muna tayo? Stay din tayo. Stay lamang tayo. Number 30. Muntik pa.
12 seconds to shoot. Para sa Boleros.
Nice D by Akain. Boss Akain, nice D po yan. Nice D by Boss Akain. And now, kay number 5. Bang! Another 3 points now being registered by Team Boleros. Lamang na po sila ng 5, 18-13 at 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining po tayo. 1 minute. Rosma, number 0. Akain. Number 0, Rosma. Naipit ang konti. Number 0, driving strong. Binitbet, 2 points. Nice shot by number 0. Slasher pala siya. Batusay. Okay, Curry. Or number 30. Number 30, binabantay ng number 0. Loki for 3. Bang! 3 points Loki. Again, Loki delivering the necessary points now. Dalawang nabuli po ng 6 ang Team Boleros. 14 seconds remaining. Rosma. Akain. Driving strong. Wag mo na raw. Number 0. Binitbet. Nakuha ng space. Salting. Wala. And wala na. First quarter ended. Lamang po ng 6 rather ang Team Boleros. Team Boleros lamang ng 6. Okay, maganda. Magaling. Teka lang ha. Ano nga tayo? Ito marami tayong dito eh.
Okay, back to the Boleros basketball.
Hotspot. Yun, hotspot. Okay, balik tayo. Si number 15, yan, si Forbes. Si Forbes, number 15. Inbounding po tayo ngayon sa kanya. Sa Monte. Bumabanat ngayon kanina. Loki or Forbes. Forbes, pinahirapan. Bitbit, hindi. Eh, now si Vince. Si Vince, muntik na malakawan sa likod. Thinking 3, ayaw niya. 29, dukot, pasok. 29, dukot, pasok. 21-17. Sa Monte, almost had it. Still completed. Vince the Prince. Wala. Ayun, sinabi 29, naka-rebound. Vince na naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound, di number 5. Number 5, naka-rebound si Loki. Ayan, Loki again. No good. And rebound ni Forbes. Loki, buhay bola. And sa Monte, di kumapit. And nako ni Villarosa ang bola. Cake pass now kay Mr. Vince the Prince. Sanchez driving strong. Sanchez double team. Palpal, sumabit. Pasok. Sana. Number 16. Foul number 16. Second try Sanchez, nope. Nice rebound ni Forbes. Now kay number 30 ang bola. Number 30 ang bola. Jay Sterburn is watching. Aris Seal is watching. Forbes, no good. Rebound, battle won by number 5, si Loki, nakabanat na naman for 3. No good. Vince, binabati number 30. Vince, number 30, 29. 2 points, number 29. Nice post-up job. Unti-unting gumagapang na naman pabalik po ang in-flights at 8 minutes to remaining. Second quarter action na tayo po ngayon. Number 30, binababa mo ng bola. 30. Number 5, Loki, binabantayan na. And kay 30 naman, 30, nababasan. Number 16, Loki. Number 16, pops up. Malakas. 20 naman, 29. Cake pass again kay Villarosa. Wala. Good ball. Villarosa, wala. Good ball now. Number 30 again. 30, driving strong. Binale. Pasok ang bola. Pasok ang bola kay number 30. 23-19 ang score. 4 ang kalamang panipon ng Boleros. Villarosa, driving strong. Slashing. Stripped away. Walang foul. Sabi ng referee. Loki, binababa ang bola. The god of mischief. And now, Sid Curry, number 30. Number 15. Driving si Forbes. Driving strong. Intercepted. Walang foul. And now, si Vince, easy to. Okay, lamang po ng dalawa na lang. 23-21 at 6 minutes 36 remaining. Second quarter action. Handaan nyo po yung second 5 ninyo. Carry, driving strong. Crossover. Ayun, kay number 16. Oopsie daisy. Loki, muntik na nawala sa kanyang bola. 10 seconds a shot. Curry. Nope. Ay sa ilalim. Dumukot. Sa monte. Malakas ang bola. 29, binitbit. And one play made.
Basket count.
Basket made para number 29. Lamang na po for the lead now para kay Sakris.
Bonus free throw tayo para kay number 2.
Sakris 29 for the bonus free throw. Tablados po tayo at 23. 29. Sakris. Pasok. Pasok nga. Pumasok ang bola. Lamang na naman ang in-flights ng isa. Number 16. Number 16.
Ada kay Loki.
Loki, 16. For 3. Look. Vince. Driving strong. Hindi. Sakris. Tapos. Sakris muli. Pasok ang bola kay Sakris. Sakris, pinasa kasi. Siya kasi medyo maitang ang kamay ngayon. Pops up. Forbes. 3 points. Kagabi na natin ni Forbes. Deadlock na naman. Ayaw magpaiwan ng Boleros. Again, Asieto. Then now kay Vince. 5 minutes 16 remaining. Handaan nyo na pa second 5 ninyo. Both teams. And now Vince, 24. Pops up. Long 2. No good. And rebound battle. Walang pinasahan. Balik ulit pa sa Boleros. Change 5 tayo. And also, Boleros now will call for a timeout. Boleros, timeout, Boleros. Boleros, timeout po tayo. Timeout ang Boleros. Oh.
Okay, back to the ball game, 5 minutes and 5 seconds in our second quarter. Bola ng Boleros.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Boleros. Boleros tayo, Boleros. Ayan na.
Okay, Samonte.
This game is also brought to you by Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Kaya may commercial na tayo ng LBC ngayon.
Okay, pasa kay Loki.
And Loki.
Gomez.
Forbes, kinaliwa, kinanan. Ay, sa monte, palpal. Nice. Nice block.
Number 26. 23 or 26? 23. Salting.
Salting call for the foul. Sa monte.
Samonte. First try para kay Samonte. Pasok.
Pasok ang kay Samonte. Lamang muli po ng isa ang Team Boleros. You're watching right now this first game for tonight between Boleros and, of course, Team In-Flights. Forbes. Forbes pops up. Malakas. Yakai nandom. Niribang kagad. Rosma. Ayun. Number 0. Akain. Power move. Pasok ang bola kay Akain. Nice cut niya Akain. Giving that 2 points kagad. Binigyan niya kagad sa in-flights. Curry. Stripped away almost. And, kickball. White ball. In-flights ball tayo. Sabi ng referee, sinipa mo kasi ang bola. Basketball po tayo, sabi niya. And now, Kimales, fade away shot. Akain, nakariba, power move. Pasok ang bola kay Akain. Lamang na naman muli po ang Team In-Flights. Salamat sa putback niya Akain. Nakatatlong laman na po sila ngayon. Curry. Number 30. Dictating the pace. AL pops up, inbound, pasok. Sabi ng Boleros, nandito pa rin kami. And now si Rosma. Rosma, Quimales, pinasa lang, pasok ang bola. Nice shot ni Quimales. Tansyado niya yung yung anggulong yun, sabi niya. And now save number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Los Hermanos. Nope. Uy, nawala ang bola. And good ball. Good ball. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa in-flight ang bola at 2 minutes 14 remaining. Number 0, biglang nagditikta, nagbababa ng bola si number 0. Number 0 driving strong. Whoop! Kiniliwa, kinanan, pumasok pa ang bola. 29-34, laman ng pula 5 ang in-flights. Curry, number 30. Number 30. And number 19. Number 19 pops up for 3. Malakas. Akain ang rebound. And intercepted. Kickball. Sumaypa. Kickball. Tinawagan si number 30. Kickball. 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Number 20. Rosima. Rosima pala yun, hindi pa Rosma. Rosima. And now 0. Rosima yung ng bola. Akain ako ng bola. Akain. Number 0. Huli. Traveling violation. Naunang hakbang sa yapak. Number 30. 1 minute 50 remaining. Calling Airport United tsaka Ignite. Nasaan na kayo? Third quarter na, magta-third quarter na po. Tinatawagan po ang second game po, Ignite at Airport United. Nasaan na kayo? Magta-third quarter na po. Salamat po. Akain. Rosma, nope. It's Quimales. Long 2. No good. Forbes now kay Curry, number 30. Number 30 pops up for long 2. No good. Rebound by AL. Ouch. Ayun. Loki, malakas ang pasa, malakas ang tira. And now Rosma. Akain, Rosma, 2 points. 55 remaining. Muntik pa. Okay, now, number 39. Al. Malakas. Ouch. Foul. Asampal. Number 0. Okay, Forbes muna. Forbes. First shot. Pasok. Forbes. Second shot. Second shot ni Forbes. Pops up. Wala. Forbes. Malakas. Intercepted and same ball. Sabi ng referee, same ball daw. Same ball, sabi ng referee. Nice hustle by number 0. Akain for 3. Bang! Akain. 3 points Akain. 23 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Samonte, no good. One more time. Samonte, put back. Wala pa rin. Samonte, 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. Sagad daw, sabi. Sagad. Nice pass. Sayang. That's it. Halftime tayo. Halftime po tayo mga boss. Habang halftime, commercial muna po tayo. Ha? Ayo.
Ipadala mo sa labi, ano man ang iyong padala, anong halaga, lahat ay kakayanin. Dadalhin namin ang iyong kwento, saan ka man sa mundo. Ang ligaya, ang maghatid ng iyong saya, lagyan ng kulay ang buhay, at mag-ibig ang padala. Ang ligaya, ang maghatid mula sa mundo. Manatag ka na darating ang pag-ibig mo. Kay daming sikot-sikot, panay liko-liko, puro ba ikot-ikot-ikot-ikot magulo. Pero di ba, matagal na rin tayong magkakilala. Sa bukid o lungsod, lagi tayong nagkikita. Di maliligaw, di mawawala, di mababalik.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Yan po ang Team LBC Commercial.
Basketball. Okay.
Yan po ang Team LBC. Sponsor po itong ligang ito. LBC, hari ng padala. And of course, Team Thread and Needles.
Third quarter, team score.
Thread and Needles dito. Okay, Villarosa for the inbound now. Third quarter po tayo ngayon. And si Vince the Prince.
Number 24.
Vince the Prince, number 24 na Villarosa. Villarosa, malakas. Forbes, naka-rebound. Forbes, sa Monte, naipit ang konti. Forbes, driving strong. Kinaliwa, kinanan. Rebound. Ouch.
And tie.
Inflex ball.
Number 1. Asal number 0, Romo sa press. Wala, ada yang malu ini. Number 15.
Forbes for 3. Bang! 3 points si Forbes. What a play by Forbes. Lamang pa rin po ng 4 ang in-flights.
Number 24.
Number 24. Pops up. Fadeaway shot. 29. Pasok. Nice shot. Ba, parang fadeaway ka agad. Jumping fadeaway shot ka. Binanatan ng batang yun. And daw si number Forbes. Si Forbes.
46% lang.
Forbes. Sidestep. Maling pinasahan.
29.
Vince. Easy 2 by Vince. 35-14 naman po ng 8. Ang team in flights at 8 minutes 23 remaining. 8 minutes 23 remaining.
Hindi tayo bagsak. Number 26.
Samonte. Pops up. No good. Nice 1 by 0. Villarosa. Nakuha ni number 30. Kinapos ang pasa.
Huwag kayong mahiya para bagsak dito sila. Hindi tayo bagsak. Number 30. Pass for number 30. 14 sinasyak na. Steal!
Nice steal.
Nabi si
29. Wala.
Buwan pa rin. Putback.
2 points. What a putback. 2 points.
Number 19. Number 30.
Wala.
Number 19.
Wala siya.
16. Okay, go. Wala.
No good. Villarosa. Vince. 2 points kagad. 7 minutes remaining. 35-47 lamang. Laban na 12 na po ang in-flights over Boleros. Sa Monte. Number 30. Pops up. No good. Vince. Vince. Nawala ang bola. Balik sa Boleros ang bola. Balik sa Boleros ang bola. Sabi nila, sa kanila daw ang bola. Okay. Bigay sa kanila ang bola. Jay Cern is watching. Jeff Nosville is watching also. 29. 29 sa ilalim. AL stripped away. Ayun, sa Monte. Easy na yan. Yun na pa. Let go na yan. Let go. Let go. Nandun si Vince. Vince. Nice. Defense sana. Sumabit.
30.
Sumabit. Sumabit. Vince. Vince the Prince. Boleros.
Number 24, shooting for 2.
Shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
The second try, number 54.
Second shot. Pasok. Sana. Wala pa rin. Nice rebound by number 16.
Number 30.
Number 30, laman ng 10 po ang in-flights. Sa Monte. Sa Monte, 26 pasok ang bola. Sa Monte, 2 points.
Number
5 minutes, 51 remaining. Third quarter action. Airport United and Do Ignite. Nasa na po kayo? Third quarter na po. Matatapos na po ang third quarter. Number 0. Number 1, Villarosa. Double teamed. Pinasa mo na kay Alacreto and si Vince. Vince, nice shot. Pinasa mo na. 20 hoop shot. No good. One more time. Press 14 remaining. Vince, offline. Rebound by number 29. Wala pa rin. Nice. Okay, clear po ng boards now ni number 30. Number 30. Sa Monte, humingi ng bola. Curry. No good. Oh! Nice effort. Timeout. Timeout in flight.
time out din sa wakas.
In flight scope for the timeout.
Siguradong darating lawag at lahat ng ulo. Ang ligaya, ang paghatid ng iyong saya, nangiyan ang kulay ang buhay, at pag-ibig ang madala. Ang ligaya, ang paghatid mula sa
Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. That's Team LBC Commercial po. Pinapakita na. Sponsor sila kasi ng ligang ito. Team LBC, hari ng padala at trading news po ang sponsor po ng ligang ito.
Pass number 27.
Akain for 3, no good. Ayan, si number 30. Binababa, grounded by number 0. And sayang, hindi pumasok.
20.
Okay, lamang ng 8. Rosma called for the foul. Number 0. Number 30 rather. Shooting for 2. Shooting for 2 si number 30. Number 30 shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up.
First try.
Pasok.
7-14.
Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo para kay number 30. 40-47 ang score. Lamang ng 7 ang in-flights. Second shot. Pops up. No good. Up. Lane violation. In-flights ball. Akain naka-inbound. Now to Salting. Salting. Kimales. 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 Power move. No good. Nice D. Loki naka-rebound. He's making mischief around the court. Loki. Kapos. Rosma. Salting. Akain. Akain. Power move. Nope. Si Daisy. Traveling operation. Sabi ni Boss Referee. Traveling operation. Boss Referee sabi niya, traveling ka bata. Number 30. Curry. Number 30. Number 30.
Pass number 15.
Number 15. Number 15. Spin, scoop shot, no good. 3 minutes 58 remaining. 0, dumulas. Number 0, dispa, Sakai, 2 points na, wala na yan. Sa kanya na yan. Magaling ang pasa. Galing ng ng ball handling skill, si number 0, si Blue Boy. Number 0. What a pass. Forbes muna. Balik tayo kay Forbes now. Kay number 30. Pinasa kay Loki for 3. Malakas. Rebound, AL. Wala pa rin. Loki. Power move. Foul! Foul number 27. Loki number 5 shooting for 2. This shot is brought to you by Team LBC. Hari ng padala. And of course, thread the needles. Loki, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Loki, second shot. Wala pareho. Number 0, binitbit. 2 points. Number 0, 2 points kagad. Binitbit ang bola. AL, nawala ang bola sa kanya. Sayang. Baseball pass. Ayun! Whose ball, rep? Okay. Bolero's ball. Nice hustle by Loki. Loki, nice hustle. 11 points deep pa rin po ang kalamangan po ng in-flights. At the closing seconds of third quarter action. Forbes. Ninakawan. Muntik na. And si Loki. Number 30. Pops up. Fadeaway shot. Malakas. Hop! Same ball. In-flights ball. Brad, pangalan mo, Brad? Pangalan mo? June, ha? Okay, thank you. Okay. Number 20. Rosma, number 20. And Kimales, pops up. No good. Hop, si Daisy. Tumapak na sa linya. Balik muli po sa Team Boleros ang bola. Boleros trailing still by 11 points at 2 minutes 3 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Calling now the second game between Airport United and Ignite. Nasa na kayo? Pumunta na kayo dito? Wala. Rebound, AL. Malakas ang badong. Loki. Nice steal by Loki, number 5. Loki. Sayang. Take 2. Number 0, second personal foul. Take 2 para kay Loki. Number 5 shooting for 2. Loki pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready para kay Loki. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle. Out of bounds. Balik po sa in-flights ang bola. 40-51 ang score. Rosma, akain, malakas, nandun sa Salting, what a putback. Oy! Out of bounds, tumapak sa linya, balik sa in-flights ang bola. In-flights ball muli po tayo. In-flights muli po tayo, Rosma. Still completed nga. Curry. Wow. Oh. Third personal foul. One po penalty po in flights. Number 30. Shooting for 2. Curry, number 30, shooting for 2. Pops up. And it's pasok. It's patok. Second shot, jumpers ready. 41-53. Second shot, jumpers ready. Curry. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 42-53. Lamang ng 11, 50 seconds remaining. Rosma. For 3. Offline. Balik sa Bolero Sambola.
Abang na.
Hop! Nakuha ni Quimales. Quimales. Salting. 2 points salting.
20 seconds.
Boy! Good ball. Rosma, turn around. Nakuha ni Forbes ang bola.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Wala. Salting.
Passer na lang.
Number 0. Oy! Sayang. Out of bounds. Out of time. Sorry.
Basket. But out counted.
Basket mate pero hindi po pumasok sa oras. Team LBC, hari ng padala. Okay, yan po ang Team LBC, hari ng padala.
Okay, this is our fourth and final period. Fourth quarter. Wala na ang Boleros.
Boleros ball.
Wala game, wala. Rebound number 29. 29, no number 0. Para number 24. 24, number 44.
Uy!
Rebound.
Fourth quarter na po tayo. Fourth quarter na. Loki. For 3. Kapos. Number 29. Anaketo. 29. Anaketo. In the sky play. Pasok ang bola.
Number 30. Para number 50. Oh.
Foul. Number 30 called for a foul.
That is the third personal foul. First team foul.
Villarosa for the inbound.
For 34. 34 lang. Pumunta sa dress. Wala.
Okay.
Ito ba number 6? Okay, miscommunication. Right, 0-0. To number 29.
Okay, number 29. Number 20 na ipit ang konti.
10 seconds yan lang.
Joran. Oy! Travel elimination.
Number 9 violation. Number 5. Pass to number 6. To number 5. Number 15. 15 sa ilalim.
15, Curry. Forbes pops up. No good.
Number 1. Number 1. Was good. For 13. For 13. Wala.
No good.
Number 24. For number 24. 24.
Vince, 29. Sa Chris. Kapos. One more time. Sa Chris. Hoop shot. Pasok.
Put back.
What a putback by sa Chris. Forbes pops up. Pasok ang bola. 3 points by Forbes.
45-59. Para sa flat.
Foul.
Foul number 30. Work for the tapak ka na, sir. Okay. So, 14 shot lang. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds remaining. Joran. Put back kay Pilarosa. Pasok ang bola. Magtawag na kayo. Forbes na naman. No good. Williamount. Battle kagad niya. Lasieto. And now kay Mr. Vince. Sa Chris. And 2 points again, Villarosa. 2 points, Villarosa. Nice pass. And timeout. Boleros. Red Needles po tayo. Yan po yung naman uniforme. Yan.
This time out is brought to you by Master King Apparels.
Okay. Yan po yan. Thread Needles po yan. This is Thread Needles Tailoring. Just visit the page for details. Thread Needles. Yan. UAE, Qatar, and the Philippines. Thread Needles. Back to the ball game. Foul and muntik na. Doha Ignite. 5 minutes 15 remaining, 45-6 yung score. Labang ng 12 ang team in flights. Pops up, no good. One more time, sa Monte, wala pa rin. Rebound by Laquieto. Power rebound na Laquieto, nagmamadali siya ngayon, nagmamadali. And Joran, lost the ball completely. And now nakuha, Vince, intercepted by Vince crossover move, pops up, no good. Rebound battle, Joran, huli ka. Hawi, nahuli, Hawi. Joran, foul on Joran, nang Hawi kasi. Walang hawian daw, sabi ng referee. Pops up. Pops up. No good. And who's ball rep? White ball. In-flights ball. White ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. Sabi ng white ball. Anakleto. Naka-rebound. Kanina. Now, binababa ang bola. Sa Chris. Driving strong. Soft touch. 2 points again. Sa Monte, 45-65, lamang ng 20 ang kalaban ng Boleros. In flights, 20-point lead. 4 minutes, 28 remaining. Loki, no good. One more time, sa Monte, 2 points sa Monte. Timeout, in flights. This time it's brought by Thread Needles. Yan po yan. Yan. At yan. Handog po yan po ng Thread Needles Tailoring Sportswear, UAE, Doha, and the Philippines. Thread Needles Sportswear. Game, back to the ball game. Okay.
First zero. Sasakay Johan.
Pops up. No good. Joran. Anasieto. Rebound. 2 points again.
2 points.
2 points Anasieto. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 47-67. Samonte driving strong. Side-stepping move. 2 points. 2 points. Intercepted by Samonte. Anasieto lost the ball. And Anasieto. Uy, sayang.
Number 0.
Nice one by number 0. 49-69, 3 minutes 31 remaining. Loki.
Number 13.
40, 15. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Traveling violation kagad. And now, lost the ball. Joran binabantayan. And 0. Wala kapus. 2 minutes 52 remaining. Joran.
Pasa sa
Nice resulting. Anasieto. No good. And same ball. Same ball. Anacleto and now kay Joran. Joran driving. Ayun kay Salting ang bola. Pinigay kay Salting pa ang bola. 2 minutes 21 remaining. 49-71. Lamang ng 22 ang team in flights. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Same ball. Loki, no good. And malakas ang pasa. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Wala, sige.
Patingin ko sana yung pamilya ko sa Pilipinas.
O ba? Sige. Lakas lang. Pero nasa BG lang tayo muna. Nalos. Samonte. Samonte. 15. Samonte pops up. No good. Rebound. Anacleto. Anacleto naka-rebound tayo na. Okay, Salting. Salting binabanatan ng bola. Salting. Number 0. Foul. Samonte.
Foul number 20.
Foul Samonte. Tuloy tayo. Pops up Samonte. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
Okay, second try.
Second try. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Lane violation. Okay, balik po tayo. Si Forbes may tangan ng bola ngayon. Pinasa kay Samonte. Samonte. Intercepted. Intercepted. Kapos. Samonte pops up. No good. Sapa. Forbes. Pops up. No good still. Bang! Good ball.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 5 seconds.
A minute and 5 remaining. 49-71. Samonte. Pops up. Bang! 3 points. 52-71 still. Lamang pa rin po ang in-flights ng 19. And Rosma. 52 seconds remaining.
50 seconds.
Pops up. No good.
Kapatid, ingat-ingat na lang po.
Okay, safety basket na po tayo. Pops up again. Loki. Wala. Rebound by Joran.
Ingat na lang mga kapatid. Last 25 seconds.
34 seconds remaining. Before we credit now this win to in-flights. Rosma again for 3. Wala.
24 seconds.
Hoy. Eric, saan sila?
Congratulations both teams.
18 seconds. 12 seconds. 9 seconds. Samonte for 3. Bang! 3 points Samonte. And that's it.
Okay, and on the
Okay, you just watch the game between Implights and Boleros. Congrats for Implights for winning the game. This game is brought to you by Team SBP and SBP, QBBF of Tula Preparies, and PSBQ, and of course, Team LBC and Thread the Needles. And this is your dog friendly featuring the Titos and Titas League. Maraming salamat po. And again, see you again po sa next game po between Airport United and Doha Ignite. Thank you very much po and goodbye. Video, nakalate tayo ha. Okay. Second win now, credited now for Doha, for in-flights. 2.
Okay, 1, 2. One more.
One more.
Alright, okay.
Okay,
1.
final score 55-7-1. Panalo in flights. Oh, who's done? Oh, POG. Sino po POG? Sino POG? Sino yun? Sino yaalay? Sino po? Okay. Sa Chris. Ayan. Okay, sa Chris. Okay. Lakas na ng konti ha. Lapit ng konti. Sa Chris, again, good game po tayo ngayon. Lakas ng konti lang. Okay. Ano pa pumasa po pa po sa airport sa in-place po for the following games pa po? You have not 4 more games. I think 3 more games to go.
Siguro, mas gagandaan pa namin yung performance namin kasi yung chemistry is ano pa lang,
Okay?
sige pa, in process pa lang. So, sa next day, mas lalong gagandaan pa namin yun.
Sige, okay siya. Kung parang mapapawin nila. Sige. 1 minute set. Shout out to pamilya, loved ones, followers. Kahit sige po.
Shout out kay Flor, Jason, at saka yung ate ko,
Okay.
saka yung mga kaibigan ko dito sa Qatar. Saka yung mga ka-teammate ko.
Mm.
Yun lang po, sir.
Okay, that's Mr. Chris. POG of the game na naman ng Team In-Flight. Sir, sige pa po, sir.
Okay, sir.
For last question po, sir. Yung moves nyo, sir, talagang yun talaga yun, no? Puro post-up, no? Post-up and slashing move, no?
Mix lang.
Mix lang, no? Okay, that's Mr. Chris po. POG of the game from Team In-Flight.
Thank you, sir.